I long to be.
Wow.
El único sitio que se veía principalmente era algún sitio casi equivocado.
En tu nuca ahí.
Casi, casi, casi.
Kijk hier. Zeg maar. Dat is leuk.
See the Virgin. Got close over here to see it.
Otro bien. Die zie je echt ver. Moet je zelf maar naar kijken. Je loopt straks onder die orde door.
came on Dave's tours to get here, so we're just heading back to the bus station where the coach will pick us up again. There's still random fireworks being set off all around the town. People are still sitting in their spots on the roundabout. They've got their deck chairs and their picnic tables set up. All right, evening of it. Welcome to Spain. No, Spain hasn't won the World Cup. Well, that was a big spectacular finale to the Night of Fire in Elche. It was so loud, wasn't it?
Yeah, my ears need to pop my ears.
Yeah. That was probably 3/4 of an hour of fireworks, like 360 degrees around us. Absolutely continuous noise. Very spectacular. We love this place, being in Spain, don't we? Always something to surprise and delight us. Okay, adios.
Adios.